So the other day, I was on my phone and I stuck it in my pocket and the pop-em came off. And I was like, oh my god, no! Because I love this PopSocket and I didn't know what to do. Like, is it broken? Can I not put it back? Like, what's going on here? And for those of you who are like, oh, PopSockets are lame, like, PopSockets are actually very helpful. They're really good to like help you like stabilize and hold your phone, and also if you want to like lean it on stuff if you're watching a movie or something. Very useful. But I digress. So now I had these two pieces and I'm like, what am I gonna do? I'm devastated. I love this PopSocket and it's very helpful to me. Do I have to go take this off and get a new one? Like, so basically I did some research and I found out how to fix my PopSocket. And I also thought of like this fun hack that I wanted to share with you guys as well. So I will show you all of it now. And the first thing that you need to do is just pop back open this little dude. It's really fast. This is so easy. You can fix your PopSocket in like a minute or less. Once it's open, now all you have to do is squeeze it and just kind of remove the top piece. What? Wild. And then just take your phone and just like literally squish this back in. Squishing. Okay. And you can like kind of feel it. Like there's like a little bit of a pop when it goes in. And then here you go. It's back in. So, whoa! It's reattached. But now my hack that I thought of was I could easily just put this one back on. Easy peasy. But what if I'm like, I want to like do something a little wild and crazy, change up my style every now and then? Well, you can easily do that. In fact, you can do two different things. If you already have some PopSockets that you want to put on here but like don't want to remove over and over again, you can easily just take it, squeeze it, remove the top of the pop, and then just attach it right here. And now I have a whole new design. What? Or if you want to be creative, you can actually buy plain versions of these on, I'm sure, Amazon, different places online, and actually DIY and make your own PopSocket that you can then switch out. So I personally like my other one a little bit better, so I'm going to switch back, but you can see how easy it is to just squeeze, remove, and then just pop it back in and reattach it. There we go. Good as new, and still bends, still pops, you can still use it as you did before. Pretty cool! I saved it, and you can save yours with these few easy steps. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button because I come out with new videos every week. See ya!